Are you tired of the hassle of chopping vegetables, ready to bid farewell to tedious chopping boards, and embrace a new era of efficiency? Then gear up. This video will showcase state-of-the-art top 5 vegetable choppers that will revolutionize your kitchen experience and say goodbye to cumbersome chopping routines and hello to the ease of vegetable preparation. So let's jump right in and discover the marvels of these incredible vegetable choppers. We will start our video with 16 in 1 Safe Mandoline Slicer. Introducing the 16 in 1 Safe Mandoline Slicer. Crafted with upgraded materials for durability and ease of use. With adjustable settings including thickness, julienne, and waffle modes, it offers over 16 cutting variations. The titanium stainless steel blade ensures longevity and precise cuts without rusting. Save time with its efficient design and safety features like the stretchable pusher. Backed by a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. Upgrade your kitchen prep with Heshesign. Next up is Badelite Vegetable Chopper. Introducing the Badelite Vegetable Chopper Slicer. Effortlessly slice, dice, and shred with its 13 functions. Equipped with stainless steel blades, a draining storage container, and hand guard for safety. Perfect for onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and more. Get yours today. Now let's talk about Fullstar All in 1 Veggie Chopper. Introducing the Fullstar All in 1 Veggie Chopper. With 5 interchangeable blades, easily slice, grate, and chop to perfection. Adjust thickness effortlessly and enjoy mess-free cooking with the catch tray and non-slip base. Safety is paramount with included finger guard and glove. Plus, a bonus handheld spiralizer for added versatility. Dishwasher safe and BPA-free for your peace of mind. Enjoy hassle-free meal prep with Fullstar. Let's move on to Mandoline Slicer. Introducing the once for all Safe Mandoline Slicer. Experience safer slicing with its hidden blade and hassle-free operation. Versatile with 5 functions, adjustable thickness, and high-quality stainless steel blades. Easy to clean and backed by a 24-month warranty. Upgrade your kitchen prep now. Last one of our list is Classic White Rotary Cheese Grater. Introducing the Classic White Rotary Cheese Grater, a blend of elegance and functionality for your kitchen needs. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel blades and BPA-free plastic, it's both safe and efficient. Enjoy effortless shredding and slicing of cheese, vegetables, nuts, and more with its strong suction cup base. With a user-friendly design, it's easy to assemble and use. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 90-day return policy and dedicated after-sales service team. We've reached the end of this video. If you found these vegetable chopper intriguing and helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching.